Hello, everybody. Welcome to George M. James Book Show. 54 books in a series all about counterterrorism, lots of military history. Now, I've been asked what would be the most startling thing I found out from a counterterrorism viewpoint. And now, there are actually two things. One is the use of gliders, military gliders in counterterrorism operations, which is in codename Angelique. You can really read that, and if you read a further book, codename Malise, you'll find out how these gliders have been actually tested in practice against some terrorist nest, which is described in codename Malise, but codename Angelique is about the test flights, on how the test flights took place and where the idea come from. But during the sniper book, codename Butterfly, I found out, and this was actually demonstrated to me as well as the same with Angelique, I saw this. Um, There is a way where you can track a sniper. Now, normally snipers work in pairs, not always, but sometimes some teams do. So you would have a spotter, and the spotter would activate his laser dot sight to get a range. In other words, they will ping the target, give a range and the conditions over to the shooter, and the shooter will take the shot. Again, it's not in all units like that, but in this scenario, this is how it works. But it doesn't matter, even if it's a shooter alone and he pings the target, we have a way of picking that up immediately if we have the right equipment there and the conditions are correct, which is described in the book. And that's very revealing because we also have a way within a few seconds to track where the sniper is pinging from, which means that the counter snipers can then engage. Fascinating, very fascinating book to read. And that was for counterterrorism the two things which stood out for me.